So today we're taking a quick look at what we have within the standard classrooms for remote and hybrid online kind of teaching. So some enhancements that have been made over the summer. Our rooms have now been outfitted with a camera that's attached on a flex arm that will run into the computer that's under the workstation. There's also in some rooms a document camera. It's a red one. It's also going to be attached to the computer via USB. Typically, a faculty member will stay at the workstation, not veering too far away from the station so that the microphone can be picked up when Zoom calls are created and as you work from your doc cam. So here we are in a standard Zoom call. If I needed to switch over to my doc cam, I'd go over here to the video, switch over to the Lumens document camera, and what's going to happen, it's going to cut over the video, and it's now going to be broadcasting exactly what I have on this sheet. Now there's some buttons over here on your doc cam. You can turn on some lights. Gets a little bit more visibility on that screen. And typically what you'd want to do is probably leave your chat open. You can turn your participants window on, but that way you see your chat window on the right hand side. You're able to see your document cam, and in real time you can write information. And not only remotely can be done, but you're projecting that same image in the classroom so everyone that's on site can see it up on the projection screen. Unfortunately, whiteboards, chalkboards, or other areas within the classroom are going to be very difficult to project on the screen. So it's going to be important that you utilize the tools that are at your disposal. So we have, again, the Lumens doc camera. We have the web camera on the flex arm that allows you to adjust the camera. There's also a little area on the back here where you can loosen a screw, and it allows you to readjust the camera. So if you need to frame up a different angle, are a little better than you would expect. Right now what we're trying to do is get mostly the instructor. As far as operating the room, you do have a touch panel screen that'll allow you to do a lot as far as turning on your Lectern PC, or at least projecting it in that room. We have a few other inputs on here. The ability to change your volume. And that's going to cover it for the new enhancements for rooms from fall 2020.